Ang halal industry ay isang mahalagang sektor na patuloy na lumalago at nagbibigay ng oportunidad sa iba't ibang aspeto ng negosyo at komunidad. Kaya ngayon, samahan niyo po kami sa isang makabuluhang roundtable discussion patungkol sa halal industry. Panoorin po natin ito.
Habang patuloy na pinapalakas ng bansang Malaysia ang papel nito bilang global leader sa halal industry, ay patuloy rin nilang pinananatili ang mas malalim na pakikipagtulungan sa kanilang mga partner sa Pilipinas upang maisulong ang halal trade, investment at sertipikasyon. Kaugnay ng Malaysia's Halal Industry Master Plan 2030 at ng Philippine Halal Industry Development Strategic Plan 2023 to 2028, ang Embahada ng Malaysia sa Pilipinas ay patuloy na maghahatid ng halal business opportunities sa Pilipinas at sa Malaysia. Dahil dito ay nag-organisa ng Roundtable on Halal Industry ang Embassy of Malaysia, kasama ang Matrade Manila at in collaboration with DTI Halal Task Force Team.
We hope to this meeting today, the various stakeholders can sort of identify what are the gaps that is existing still in the process of Philippines to develop a very strong halal ecosystem. And moving forward, we hope that Malaysia can play also a role in supporting, as we always have, in working together and developing this very important and very, I would say, a strong industry.
Sa naganap na roundtable session ay nagtipon-tipon ng mga key stakeholders, kabilang na ang halal industry leaders, mga piling halal MSMEs, and certifiers. Dito ay tinalakay nila ang pinakamahusay na pamamaraan, mga pagsubok at mga oportunidad para sa paglago ng halal industry sa parehong bansa.
The Philippines is a very special country. We have been here for many years, and me myself want to thank the Filipino people for the kindness and generosity. We hope that from this roundtable we can then use what they've learned to propel forward the halal industry in Philippines, of course, in ASEAN and towards the region as a whole.
Layunin ng inisyatibang ito ay ang mas palakasin pa ang integrated halal ecosystem at matukoy ang mga strategic areas for collaboration na maaaring mapakinabangan ng Pilipinas at ng Malaysia.
Let's collaborate, let's empower each other, and let's work harder to develop this industry to an industry which can sustain growth and at the same time bring about development to our people and our country and of course our communities.